So now I'm going to show you how to make a PDF file on your mobile device. Now I'm using a Samsung, so this is the method I'm going to use. So there's two ways. The first thing you want to do is go to Play Store, and this is now if you want to take a photograph and turn that into a PDF. Now, of course, there's many online converters, but this is great because you're taking it straight in an app. It's the Microsoft Lens PDF scanner. Now, once you have installed that, this is what it will look like. So I've gone ahead now and I have gone through the process of just signing in and making sure that my account details are in and locked. Now you can see I can take a photograph of a document and it will instantly convert it to a PDF file which you can use, share. You can throw it into another app such as Microsoft Word, and you can then edit it. One of the other ways of doing this is going into Microsoft Word. You can also download Microsoft Word from your Play Store, or you can download Microsoft 365 from the Play Store and it will have Microsoft Word in it. You can see now I've got some documents. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just use this random document here. So let's just have a look at what is available here. So I've opened up this horror conversation and it is currently in a docx format. So once you've got your document open, you're going to go up to the top right hand side. You're going to hit the three dots and you're going to go to print. Now, of course, you don't have to print this. Of course, you can if you want to. But you're going to go up to the top right hand side. You'll see a little drop down arrow and it'll give you a few options. The one option here is save as PDF. Let's hit that. And you can see now that this will be saved as a PDF. All right, you can just go ahead and hit this icon. It'll ask you to choose a location as to where you're going to save it, and it'll be saved as a PDF file on your mobile device. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.